Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, it means you're part of the lucky ones, because what I do here every day is to put a smile on your face, money in your bank account, by showing you legitimate ways to grow your YouTube channel and make money online. If that's what you are interested in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss out on any amazing updates that I'll be posting over here. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to show you YouTube Studio settings that has been blocking you from getting your viewers and subscribers you deserve. Yes, I mean it. Many creators has turned these settings on and is blocking them from getting their viewers and subscribers they deserve without even knowing it. And today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to turn these settings off. So first of all, we have to open our Chrome browser. When you open our Chrome browser, on the search bar, you search for studio.youtube.com. Then you click. You'll be directed to your YouTube Studio home dashboard. Now, on your dashboard, move to customization. Customization. This is what I'm talking about. Then you click on it. Then you move to home tab. This, click on on the home tab. Now you see this one, you have to when it's off, you have to always turn it on. Turn this on. Then you come to more settings. Here you click on it. Now you see this side, YouTube always suggests they set this one to be default, and which is blocking you from getting your viewers and subscribers because it shows your old content. It's supposed to show your new content, the content that you just created recently. So you have to turn off this one, all content, then you turn on recent content only. So you have you have to click on this one, then you turn it on recent content only. So as soon as you upload your videos, YouTube will start suggesting your videos to a lot of people. From there you start getting the viewers and the subscribers you deserve. So after that, make sure you click on done. You are not yet done because your settings has not been saved. So make sure you click on publish to save your settings. So we click on publish. Now you can see they said changes publish. So it means now our changes has been made. Now whenever you you upload your videos and YouTube will start suggesting your videos to a lot of people. And when a lot of people sees your video, definitely you are going to get subscribers and viewers that you deserve. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss out on any amazing updates that I'll be posting over here. See you in the next video. Thanks.